Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. I am Mr. Sudhakar Patil, lecturer from SST College of Arts and Commerce. Students, after passing your A11 class, there can be some questions in your mind regarding the syllabus of your subject. There can be questions there, how many prose sections are there, how many poems are there, what are the writing skills are there. So today we are going to learn introduction of the syllabus, that is English subject. Before learning about this subject, let us see the cover page of this subject. If you see the cover page of this subject, on the front page there are some pictures are there, pictures of computer, laptop, one person is speaking with the media, one person is singing there. It means that your syllabus is totally given the preference for a communicative approach. Whatever the syllabus is given in this textbook, you can see the glimpse of this syllabus on your cover page on and the last page of your textbook. Students, before learning about the syllabus, you must know what are the aims and objectives of this syllabus. Aims and objectives means उसका उद्देश्य क्या होता है. जब भी कोई बोर्ड सिलेबस फॉर्मेशन करता है तो उसके पीछे उसका एक मकसद होता है कि स्टूडेंट जब भी वो टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ेगा, उसे लर्न करेगा, तो उसे ये चीजें उसे मिलेगी. ही विल लर्न फ्रॉम दिस टेक्स्ट बुक देयर. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम दिस टेक्स्ट बुक. Number 1 is there advanced knowledge of the English language. Number 2, linguistic skills. Third one, life skills. And fourth one, to introduce literature, that is novel. First one is there advanced knowledge of the English language. Why you must learn language? There is a mention of English language. What is the need of this language? Because English is playing the role of international language. This language basically plays the role of the international language. People from like America, Britain, France, Australia, they are using English as their first language. More than 200 million people are in the world, they are using English as their first language. People from countries like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka and some African countries, they are using English as their second language. So for as an Indian, it is our international language and it is also a second language. English is playing the role of trade and business. If you want to do any trade or business, a person who is belonging from America or other countries, at that time the means of communication is there, a language of communication is there, English. So for that purpose, we have to learn language. English is playing the role of science and technology. If you want to learn any innovation from science or technology, you must know the English language. So, for the advanced knowledge of the English language, we must know the English language. If you want to develop your skills, if you want to develop your linguistic skills, the first one skill is the listening skills. Listening means hearing with understanding. Here one thing is important there, here आपको सुनना है और सुनने के साथ आपको you have to do your understanding is important there. But if you want to learn any language, listening is important thing is there. Listen actively and attentively with comprehension. Listen news, bulletins, interviews, debates, discussions, stories, dialogues, radio programs. When you listen these all things in English language, what will happen there? You will understand how to pronounce a specific words, how to pronounce a specific sentences, or what are the gestures we have to use when you make the communication. The first stage is there a listening skill. Number second stage is there speaking skills. After listening many things, you must try to speak in English language. Speak in your classroom, speak in your friend circle, in a pair. In that while you are making communication at that time, use English language. If you speak in English language at that time, you will make some mistakes there. So at that time, don't think about your mistakes there. Only just speak in your friend circle in a classroom there. So that time you will develop your speaking skill. Next skill is there, reading skills. After learning listening skill, speaking skills, try to read some magazines, some reference book, e-books, newspapers in English language. If you read these all things, what you will learn? You will learn some new words from that language, or your vocabulary buildings will be increased there. Or don't forget to read your textbook of your 12th class. Students, after developing your listening, speaking and reading skills, the last skill is the writing skill. To develop your writing skill, board has already mentioned some writing skill in your syllabus there, like email writing, blog writing, film review, interview questions, report writing, summary writing and note making. Using these all writing skills, you must develop your writing skills there. So students, in this way we learn some skills. Along with them, you will develop these all skills. Why? You have to read some lessons or some poems there, because you are going to learn some message or some moral things from these lessons or poems there. So what are the life skills and moral values you are going to learning from prose? Number one is the self-realization, information and communication, etiquette and manners. जब भी आप सोसाइटी में आप जा रहे हैं, आप हाउ टू बिहेव विद द अदर पर्सन्स देयर, सर्च फॉर आइडेंटिटी, लव फॉर नेचर एंड एनिमल्स, कल्चरल इंटीग्रेशन एंड मोटिवेशन. दीज आर द वैल्यूज जो मूल्य होते आप प्रोज लेसन से आप पढ़ने वाले हैं. लाइफ स्किल्स फॉर्म पोएट्री, फ्रीडम, पोएटिक जस्टिस, ऑप्टिमिज्म. लाइफ में आप किस तरह से आप आशावादी आप रहना चाहिए. आप हाउ द नेगेटिव थिंकिंग मेक्स द इफेक्ट ऑन योर माइंड, फैमिली वैल्यूज, हैप्पीनेस, सेंसिटिविटी, eternity and diversity. These are the moral values we are going to learning from poetry section. Let us see some moral values from novel. A board for this year implemented the one section is there, jana section is there, novel is there. Last year आपने ड्रामा सेक्शन आपने पढ़ा, इस साल आपको नॉवेल सेक्शन आपको पढ़ना है आपको. In this novel section you are going to learning like understanding the imagination, dealing with troubles, exchange of ideas and solving the mystery. These are the moral values you are going to learn from novel section. Students, in this we learn what are the moral values we are going to learn. Let us see some sections are there. Your first section is for prose sections. There are 8 lessons are there. Number first lesson is there, An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is one of the famous novelist from Indian English literature. An Astrologer's Day is one of the stories there, a story of common persons, how he tries to kill one person and how he becomes one of the astrologer. So this is a story of the one common person who transfer from a common person to one of the astrologer. Second lesson is there, On Saying Please by Alfred George Gardiner. In this lesson, we will learn the importance of good manner and courtesy and politeness in our life. किस तरह से हमने सोसाइटी में हमें बिहेव में करना चाहिए, किस तरह से we have to use the polite language in your communication. We are going learning to from the second lesson. Third lesson is there, The Cock and the Anthem by O. Henry. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the freedom. A freedom from miseries, a freedom from worries and confinement. Confinement means prison, jail. There is one character is there, Soapy. वो किस तरह से अपना वो उसका जो प्रयत्न होता है, जो साथ होता है, वो कंटिन्यू रखता है. How his mind transfer from negative thinking into positive thinking. We will learn from this lesson number 3, The Cock and the Anthem. Lesson number 4 is there, Big Data, Big Insights. Students, we are living in the world of information technology. We are using mobiles, laptops, computer. Along with them, we are using internet. how the internet is playing important role in our life. So we are going to learn like location tracking, how that internet is helping us in finance sector, in banking sector, in port sector, in education sector. How that big data make the effect on your life. We are going to learning from big data and big insights. Lesson number 50 is there, the new dress by Virginia Woolf. In this lesson, it is a lesson about the Mabel wearing, who is constantly thinking about his yellow dress. She is thinking negatively about his yellow dress. Virginia Woolf uses a subconscious technique, a stream of consciousness technique in this lesson. Next lesson is there, Into the Wild by Kiran Purandare. This lesson is divided into two parts. In the first part, writer explains how the writer lost the way in a jungle or in a forest area and how he found the way in that forest area. The first part is about the writer. In the second part, there is a mention of the Shahjang, who is a well-known photographer, a photographer of wildlife. There is a description about that person there. Student, next one lesson is there, Why We Travel by Siddhartha Picco Raghavan Iyer. In this lesson, Picco Iyer explores the reason for his passion to travel and shares the reason for his traveling to the reader. Next lesson is there, Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. This is the autobiographical lesson. यहाँ पर राइटर ने अपने खुद की लाइफ के बारे में यहाँ पर लिखा है, किस तरह से राइटर का जो लाइफ है फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिली चेंजेस इनटू द वन ऑफ द फेमस राइटर, इसके बारे में वर्णन राइटर ने यहाँ पर किया है. तो इन दिस वी कैन से दैट देयर आर द 8 lessons are there in the prose section. Section number 2 is there on poetry. There are the 8 poems are there. First poem is there, Song of the Open Road by Walt Whitman. It is a poem. There is a blending of the self-awareness, free will and tenderness of heart. यहाँ पर राइटर आपको बताएंगे कि किस तरह से आपका सेल्फ अवेयरनेस आपका इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, हाउ यू टू सिलेक्ट योर ओन वे इन योर लाइफ, इसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन राइटर ने यहाँ पर किया है. सेकंड पोएम इज देयर इंडियन वेवर्स बाय वन ऑफ द फेमस इंडियन poetess Sarojini Naidu. In this poem, poetess Sarojini Naidu described the 3 types of garment that the weavers weave at the 3 important stages of your life. Students, next poem is there, The Inchcape Rock by Robert Southey. In this poem, poet explains the story of the 14th century attempt by the abbot of Aberbrothock to install the warning bell on Inchcape Rock. इस पोएम में एक एबरब्रोथक नाम का एक कैरेक्टर है, वो किस तरह से एक बेट पर, एक आइलैंड पर एक वार्निंग बेल लगाता है, इसकी स्टोरी यहाँ पर वर्णन किया है. नेक्स्ट पोएम इज देयर, हैव यू अर्न योर टुमारो बाय एडगर गेस्ट. In this poem, the speaker is asking to the reader whether they have done anything to improve the life of another human being or not. आपने ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए आपने कुछ प्लानिंग किया है कि नहीं किया है, इसके बारे में पोएट यहाँ पर रीडर को कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछता हो. डू यू हैव डन एनीथिंग फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग और नॉट देयर. नेक्स्ट पोएम इज देयर, फादर रिटर्निंग होम बाय दिलीप चित्रे. In this poem, a poet explains the life of the commuters who is living in the suburban area, how he travels into the local in train, what are the problems he faces in that local or in trains. This picture is basically given by the Dilip Chitre in the father returning home. There is a picture of given of the one father from the suburban area. Next one poem is there, Money by William H. Davis. In this poem, how the rich man who wants to be a poor man to find out the real happiness in life, किस तरह से जो rich man होता है वो poor man बनता है to search the real happiness in life. Next poem is there, She Walks in Beauty by George Gordon Byron. In this poem, the poet explains or celebrates the beauty of the woman. This is a lyrical poem. Next poem is there, Small Towns and Rivers by Mamang Dai. In this poem, the poet explains the belief of the tribal people who is living in the northeast of our India. How they give their importance to the nature, how the nature is playing the important role in their life. This type of description is mentioned in the poem Small Towns and Rivers. Students, third part is there on writing skills. Board has given a different kinds of chapters in the writing skills like summary writing. Do schools really kill creativity? Creativity, that is a mind mapping, note making, a statement of purpose. This is a kind of application. If you want to seek admission in one of the famous university, at that time you have to write one application. That application is known as a statement of purpose. Drafting a virtual message, group discussions. Along with them, we are going to learn topics like interview questions, leaflet writing. These are topics we are going to learn in the section of writing skills. Students, a section number 4 is there on the genre is there drama, not drama, on novel. In novel, we are going to learn for first lesson is there history of novel. In the history of novel, we will learn what are the elements of novels are there, what are the types of novels are there. So these are things we are going to learn in the section of novel. Last year 11th में अपने ड्रामा सेक्शन अपने पढ़ा अपने. For this section, for this year, we are going to learning a section is there novel. Number second lesson is there To Sir with Love by E.R. Braithwaite. In this lesson, the writer explains how the one person narrator who is an engineer who accepts as a job as a teacher, what are the problems he faces, किस तरह का problems वो face करता है उसके लाइफ में, उसके लाइफ में किस तरह के challenges उसके उसमें आता है, and how he solves the problems in his life. इस तरह का वर्णन हम To Sir with Love by E.R. Braithwaite इस नॉवेल में हम पढ़ेंगे. Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Gabriel Verne. In this lesson, the novelist explains the adventures and his excitement which readers will going to learn from that lessons. किस तरह से जो राइटर होता है उसने एक लाइफ में एडवेंचर्स उसने एक्सपीरियंस किया, उसका जो एक्साइटमेंट है इसके बारे में हम यहाँ पर हम पढ़ेंगे. अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन 80 days. Last section is there in the section of 4 there, The Sign of 4 by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. They solve the mystery of hidden treasure and murder. This type of story we are going to learn from The Sign of 4, Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. Students, in this way we learn there are the 4 sections are there. First section for prose, number second section for poetry, third for writing skill, and fourth one is for your section is there novel. Along with them, there are some topics are there from language study like parts of speech, sentence structure, vocabulary buildings, speech, figure of speech, phrases, idiom, proverbs, and functional grammar. So students, in this way, we learn about the aims and objective from this textbook. We learn about the what are the how many sections are there like prose, poetry, writing skills, and novel, and we learn something about what are the grammar topics are there. So students, in this way, we are going to learn some topics in this syllabus there. Thank you to all of you.